Okay, welcome back. This is a video just about the extension in the palindrome, which is not was optional. But so never, odd, or even is technically a palindrome if you just look at the letters. So you can see the never here, but the spaces make it so that our program wouldn't pick it up. So never, odd, or even. So if I go over to our program, as we wrote it before, it's going to say it's not a palindrome. So you can see kind of there, you can kind of see the never, odd, or even, but it's not, that doesn't look exactly like it does forward. So for the extension, it's to make this be recognized as a palindrome. So there's two things we can do using methods that are outside the AP subset, make it pretty easy. So the first one is to set everybody to lowercase characters. So here I got the reverse text in this variable rev text, and I can set rev text equal to itself, but I can change it to all lowercase or all uppercase letters. Similarly, I can go up here and do the same thing to this text variable that was passed to me. So I can say text equals text dot to lowercase. So what that's going to do is handle that capital N in the never, so that it's going to make it lowercase in both the text and in the reverse text. All right, the other part is to get rid of the spaces. So and then when I check equality, if spaces are gone and capital letters are gone, I'm going to have the equivalent thing. So to get rid of spaces, there's a very handy split command. So text equals text dot split. So this is remembering that this doesn't change text. I have to assign what it sends back. So, oh, not split, sorry, replace. And I'm going to replace all. And I want to replace all the spaces in the string with quote, quote, meaning nothing. So you know what replace all, but this is kind of the from, comma, to in there. So change everything from this in the string to this. And similarly, I want to do the same with that rev text. Equals itself, but replace all quote space quote with quote quote. Okay. And that is it, hopefully, if I've done it right. And so down here, never, odd, or even. And now the thing to keep in mind is the backwards is still going to look like this, because the reverse method is what prints this. It's the palindrome method that's doing all these changes, but the string itself is not being changed. So there we go. Oh, that looked weird, didn't it? Let me clear that and do it again. There we go. It is a palindrome. So made enough change. And just to make sure that we didn't ruin everything, we can do something like Blue Moon again that we know is not a palindrome, and make sure we're still getting not. And indeed we are, and it's still reversing it. So that is the extension. All done. Okay. Happy coding.